Alright, hey guys, today I'm with Richie, and we're going to cook a snack. The ingredients here is hot dog, butter, beat egg, and...
Cheese, it's cheese.
Oh, that's cheese, sorry, that's cheese. And then
Juice.
orange
After.
juice,
Yeah,
that's for after. And then we have breadcrumbs, and then sliced bread, and this is to roll it. And since we don't have a roller. And the toothpicks, these are actually bamboo or coconut from the coconut leaf.
Yeah. All right. So you will help me.
All right. So I'm going to help her. So we're gonna have a camera lady. This is Arnie. Thank you very much.
What about there?
All right.
Okay. So. Okay. The first thing we will do is put plastic.
All right. We have plastic gloves here.
Because Dustin didn't
Wanil.
his hands for almost 1 week. This one is you need to flatten the bread.
All right. So we're gonna flatten the bread first.
Do like that. But this hot dog is already cooked.
Okay.
You need to cook the hot dog first.
Okay. So before you start, cook the hot dog first.
Put hot dog
All right.
here. And cheese here. One.
Slice.
Okay, and then roll it tightly. Like that. And then after that, secure that one using this, like that.
Right in the
Secure.
middle.
It's okay, you will use 2.
Okay.
And then more like that.
Okay.
And then roll it. Wait. Okay.
Dip it in the
Yeah.
egg.
Like that. And then breadcrumbs.
Nice.
Like that. And then
Like your father words, unique.
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 Come on.
That's good.
Next, you're stronger than me, so you do.
All right, flatten it.
Yeah, flatten it.
All right.
Are you mad?
Sorry.
Or you're just hungry?
I'm hungry.
So it's
I'm
good
hangry.
for snacks because they are very. I think they will be hungry later.
Yeah, they've been working. Here, show them over there. They're working on my duyan or my bahai.
Bahay.
Yeah, they're extending it. It's getting bigger. Want to
Pila
show it
day,
over
pila
there
day,
for a second?
pila day. Yeah.
I don't know if they can see, but
Okay, man.
it's exciting. I have my own little place to hang out.
No more place for tent. Okay, what's the next thing you'll do?
Then I put a hot dog.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Sabi na.
There's
Little bit of tissue won't hurt. I'll get a new one. Alright, so we get the hot dog with tissue free.
sorry because it's hot when I put.
Yeah, that's okay. A little bit of tissue never hurt anybody. Alright, a little bit of cheese. And roll it up. Stick it in the egg.
Here's water.
Alright, so that's 3. We'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. That's too many?
It's okay.
Put them all? I don't know what means. When I
only
asked
one,
you, when
only
I asked,
one.
just one? Do you use for yes or for no?
Yes.
Yes? But I asked you, I said, is that too many? You go, I said, should I put cheese on there? So that was
Whatever you want.
yes and no.
Finish. So only that, and then after this one is we will fry this one until it will turn to golden brown.
Okay.
And then that's it. We can eat and slice this one into half and then
Cool, and then
Yum,
we'll
yum,
enjoy
yum.
it.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll go over there and cook
Yeah,
it.
cook.
All right, cool.
Ang nagkuhan, Bi? Luwag. I need to make fire first.
Raymond is taking the day off. He's been working really hard on this Baha'i all day long. Him and his father. It is looking good. They got these for support. They really know what they're doing. Oh, it's for your future wife? All right. She's gonna be one happy lady. That's pretty cool. Oh, detective. Richie's gonna start the fire today.
Dito, Dad. Wait ka lang, Dad. Back up. My assistant. Di mo siga mo.
Richie's making smoke.
Yeah.
All right, Richie, that was good. You're better than Raymond.
I'm better than Raymond.
Ready to eat. Nick. Bro, I'm hungry, bro. I'm ready to eat, bro.
All right, we'll feed you soon, Raymond.
Oh, give me 2.
Give you 2?
Yeah, right now.
Right now, it's not cooked.
It's okay. No. No.
Your father says no. I think Richie will be really upset. Richie, Raymond stole the food.
Raymond's crying.
We'll let that get hot.
Make it hot. Yeah. Okay, dali. Here we go. We will dance TikTok. Ay, kisa mi ma. Mom will back up. Okay, let's go there. 3. Here, Dustin.
Alright.
Okay. You already know how to dance this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yay, that's it.
All right.
Down there. Down in one. That's what it is. Sorry to kill you. This is Masa na iisang sisbide. Masa lang ako. Masa na pa Oh, need to make quick.
They turn brown pretty quick.
Because it's very hot. Oh. Tama na rin.
Is that one done?
Dahil, ambil ko plato sa day.
I'm hungry. Can you feed me?
Yeah, we got one for you, Raymond.
Oh, I need 5.
Okay. Finish product.
No parasite
Finish
eating,
line.
bro. No, my parasite
And
eating,
then
bro.
we will slice.
That smells good. Your parasites eating your stomach?
Yeah, waiting for that too. Reche, America,
Then,
That smells and looks delicious.
and then slice. You slice.
Just right in the middle?
Yeah.
It's okay to touch them?
Yeah.
My hands are clean.
Yeah. Slice like that. Like this.
Okay. Why this way? Is that better?
Yeah, to make it look nice.
Oh, it looks nice. The presentation is
Oh, yeah.
just as important.
Yeah, and then one more thing.
Oh, that's the last
To
step.
make it more yummy. After
Okay.
eating that one is we will drink juice.
All right.
It's clean, but It is dirty.
It's clean, but it's dirty. Just like my hands. They're clean, but they're dirty.
Water, the water.
This is water, not Sprite.
It's water. It's freezing. It's good for hot weather.
Happy fur, 1/2, 1/4, 1/2. Yeah, very good.
So this is an eggshell.
Yeah.
And you do that why? Just for design?
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of drawing this one, so just put this one.
Oh, Raymond!
You cannot eat our snack.
That was a good shot! Man! That was brilliant!
Bad cheetah. Garabo.
Wow! If you guys want to make decorations at home, just use the eggs. And make sure Raymond isn't there to knock him over. Richie, I'm hungry. Yeah.
Let's eat. Let's eat this one. It's nice if it's a little hot. He said, "Let's eat, Richie." Okay, here. So.
You get to taste it first.
Oh.
Me?
Yeah. All.
Is it-
Dustin. Dustin. Arnie, Daniel. Ma. Oh, ready.
Yummy.
Okay.
All right.
Here's juice.
You guys want some juice?
Yeah.
How's it taste?
Yummy.
Good? All right.
Okay. Delicious.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Mmm. Very good.
This one is better because that one. Oh. Bad chicken.
Cheers. Happy eating. That's what Raymond
Cheers.
says. Cheers. Ah, delicious.
Papa, come ka pa?
No, because of Ecuador.
He goes, what? What do you say? What do you say?
I don't know.
Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's a pretty easy snack to make, and it's really good. If you guys like this one, give us some more ideas of what desserts you want to see made. Her dad is going to make donuts, I think tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, but I like desserts. Desserts are good. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's very delicious.
Wala.
One more.
Yeah, that.
Well, you wash your hands. No, not like that. Small. One.
It doesn't look small.
Does Raymond approve of our cooking? How does it taste?
Say yes or
No.
Or.
Huh?
Or.
Dustin, faster.
Faster.
Raymond is.
If you're eating food when Raymond's around, you have to make sure you eat it quickly. Daniel's just like Raymond. Make sure you chew that. Got a mouthful and he's eating more.
Oh, it means they like it.
Yeah. Look at that. Good job.
Ay, unique. Nice. Ay, ay, ay. Unique. Huwag mo kibaos ako. Give me sliced bread. Thank you. Give me sliced bread. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you for the love. Sliced bread. para balikuhan ko po.